Hello viewers. Welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss last 2 days physics strategy about the most important 3 marks and 5 marks questions of Chapter 3, Current Electricity, and Chapter 4, Moving Charges and Magnetism. For Class 12 or PUC Board Exams 2025. This will help you to pass and score in the board examination. So watch till end, and just do one like, share and subscribe. If you want a PDF copy, just visit description box for PDF link and comment your review. Let's start one by one. Chapter 3, Current Electricity. 1. Mention 2 factors on which resistance of a conductor depends. How does resistance of a conductor vary with its length? 2. A. State and explain Ohm's law. B. Write 3 limitations of Ohm's law. 3. Derive the relation vector J is equal to sigma E. 4. A. Define resistance and give its SI unit. B. Define resistivity. Write the SI unit of resistivity. 5. Show the variation of resistivity of 1. Conductors, 2. Semiconductors, 3. Nichrome with temperature graphically. 6. 1. What LS equivalent resistance? 2. State and explain Kirchhoff's laws or rules. 7. What is the principle or significance of Kirchhoff's 1. Node or junction rule, 2. Loop rule. 8. Derive the expression for conductivity. Sigma is equal to Ne square tau by m. 9. Define mobility. Give its SI unit and dimensional formula. 10. Define drift velocity by speed and relaxation time. Derive the expression for drift velocity. 11. 2 cells of EMF E1 and E2 and internal resistance R1 and R2 are connected in series such that they send current in same direction. Derive an expression for equivalent internal resistance and equivalent EMF of the combination. 12. 2 cells of EMF E1 and E2 and internal resistance R1 and R2 are connected in parallel such that they send current in same direction. Derive an expression for equivalent internal resistance and equivalent EMF of the combination. 13. Derive an expression for the balancing condition of Wheatstone's bridge. 14. What is a potentiometer? Give the principle and 2 uses or applications of potentiometer. 15. Find the color codes of a resistor of resistance 1. 0.2 ohm plus or minus 5%. 2. 250 ohm plus or minus 10%. 3. 4.7 kilo ohm plus or minus 20%. 16. A resistor is marked with colors red, orange and gold. Write the value of its resistance. 17. Obtain the expression for effective resistance of 2 resistors when connected in A. Series, B. Parallel. Chapter 4, Moving Charges and Magnetism. 1. Derive the expression for magnetic force on a current-carrying conductor. Vector F is equal to I into bracket vector L into vector B. 2. What is Lorentz force? Write the expression for Lorentz force. 3. A negative charged particle enters a magnetic field normal to the direction of magnetic field. What is the nature of the path traced by it? 4. When will the magnetic forces on a moving charge be the 1. Maximum, 2. Minimum in a magnetic field? 5. Derive the expressions for 1. Radius, 2. Angular frequency and 3. Time period of revolution of charged particle moving perpendicular to the magnetic field. 6. Derive an expression for the magnetic field at any point on the axis of a circular current loop or coil. 7. What is a solenoid? Write the expression for magnetic field at a point inside the solenoid. 8. What is a toroid? Mention an expression for magnetic field at a point inside a toroid. 9. Write the expression for force per unit length between 2 straight parallel current-carrying conductors of infinite length. Hence define ampere. 10. Obtain an expression for the force between two infinitely long straight parallel conductors carrying current. 11. State Ampere's circuital law. Using it, derive the expression for magnetic field at a point due to a long straight wire carrying current. 12. 1. What is gyromagnetic ratio? Mention its value. 2. Define Bohr magneton. Mention its value. 13. 1. Define current sensitivity of a galvanometer. 2. Define voltage sensitivity of a galvanometer. 14. How can a moving coil galvanometer be converted into voltmeter? Explain with a diagram and expression. 15. How can a moving coil galvanometer be converted into ammeter? Explain with a diagram and expression. 16. A. What is a cyclotron? Draw a diagram. B. State the principle of cyclotron. C. Give the application of cyclotron. This ends Chapter 3 and Chapter 4, important questions for board exams. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more updates.